how to set up free shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can set up free shipping on Shopify. So the process is pretty easy. Simply open up Shopify dashboard and then click on the left side on settings. After that, click on shipping and delivery, and then from over here simply click on manage. Now you guys are going to have two options. The first option is for domestic shippings, and then the second one is for the rest of the world. Simply click on add rate. Depending upon the thing that you want to add the rate for, simply click on add rate, and then after that you guys can simply add in a price for the shipping. And if you guys want free shipping, of course you guys can just simply type in over here 0, and then you guys are going to be able to give 0 shipping cost to your customers. But let's say you want to add free shipping on a certain order limit, simply click on add conditions, then click on based on order price and type in a price that you guys want to have the minimum price for free shipping. And you guys can also have the maximum price as well, but I would advise only keeping the minimum price and leaving the maximum price on no limit. So click on done, and now customers are gonna be able to get free shipping for orders over 500 rupees or more. And you guys can of course sort this in your respective currency. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.